In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Shopify template. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. Go ahead and log in so you can access your store's dashboard. A quick tip, if you manage multiple stores, double check you're in the right one before you make changes. From the left hand menu, open online store, then choose themes. This is where all of your published and unpublished themes live. Find the theme you're working with, the one that's live or the one you plan to publish, and open its editor by clicking Edit or Customize. That opens the theme editor, which lets you preview your storefront and adjust layouts. At the top of the editor, look for the page selector. This tells Shopify which kind of page you're looking at, such as the home page, a product page, a collection, a standard page, or a blog post. Select the type of page you want to duplicate. Picking the correct page type here is important because your new template will only be available for that type. Next, open the template selector. This drop down shows all templates available for the selected page type. You might see options like default product or default collection, along with any custom ones you've made previously. Click create template. Give your new template a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, like product holiday layout or collection minimal. Choose the existing template you want to base it on. This creates a duplicate starting point so you don't have to rebuild from scratch. Now you can customize the new template without affecting the original. Make your changes in the sections panel, rearrange blocks, swap banners, toggle elements on or off, or adjust settings like colors and typography. As you work, use the preview to confirm that the updates match your goals. Save your changes regularly. Remember, edits you make here apply only to this template, which keeps your default layout safe for the rest of your store. A few best practices as you wrap up: keep a consistent naming system for your templates so teammates can find them easily, make small changes and preview often to avoid surprises, and if something feels off, you can switch back to the original template from the same selector. When you're satisfied, your duplicated template is ready to assign to the appropriate pages or products whenever you need it. That's it, you've successfully duplicated a Shopify template while keeping your original intact.